Today I'm going to show you how to use a laundromat in Barcelona, Spain. I'm going to show you how to use these Gerbau washing machines and dryers in order to wash and dry your clothes in Barcelona. These are kind of modern washing machines, so stay tuned. All right, so I'm in the laundromat and I just put the clothes in. So I have the clothes in and I don't put detergent or softener in there, it says. So I'm going to shut the door. And up here it says, do not use detergent and do not use softener. This is in Spanish, but I'm gonna translate it for you really quickly. All right, so it says it right here. All right, so it says it right here. I have it in translated. It says, how does it work? And it shows you how it works. Right here it says, insert laundry and close the door. See right there, and then it says pay. Okay, and then after you pay, you select the program. And you select the program using this right here, which I'm going to use, and select the program. And then right here, select the temperature. Okay, it says 60, caliente is hot. It says that 60 degrees Celsius, 30 degrees Celsius is normal, and then 0 degrees is cold. I don't know if they actually chill it to 0 degrees, but I guess. Okay, so I'm guessing that means that they don't heat it to a temperature. They just keep it with tap room. It says, the translation's coming in wrong. It says the machine weighs the clothes and regulates the soap and softener. So now I'm going to do that. So now I'm going to go ahead and come over here. And right here it says the laundromat, Bulgadera Igloo Laundry. It says payment, introduce, put money in. Okay, so I'm going to do that. It says coins can be exchanged, coins given, billets, bill notes change given in coins. Okay, that's great. It says select the number, machine, select machine number. Select machine number. Said that a couple of times. So the machine number that I have is 6, right? So I'm going to use that. And then washing machine. So I'm going to select that one. And then, all right, so I'm going to go ahead and do this. So it has a couple of things. You can do the payment, or you can put the money, load the money on the card. I'm going to do the payment. Once I get my cash right. Get the payment. All right, so I have euros right here. And so I'm going to go ahead and my smallest bill that I have or denomination I have is a 20. So I'm going to insert it in. And so down here you can buy a card. All right, just going to buy a card and then just put money on the card. However, I'm not doing that. I'm just going to see if I can just do cash. So I'm going to go ahead and insert this in. All right, so it says insert money. It says coins, bill coins. So I can do coins, bills, or Igloo card. Igloo card is specific to this place right here. You see the name is Igloo. And then I'm going to select the machine. All right, so pay, and then I'm going to select the program. All right, so I'm going to do this. And so I have credit of $20. And so I'm going to select the machine, as it says, pulse enter machine. I'm going to press enter. See, it says enter. All right, so let's read this again. It says enter the machine. Okay. So pulse enter, it's 6. And then, so I press 6 and then enter. And so it is €5 to use that machine, and it gave me change right here. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get my change up, and I have $5 credit for that particular machine. So I'm going to go ahead and get my change. All right, so I'll get the rest of my change up. And then I'm going to come over here, and then it's going to ask me to select. So that's delicate right there. This is cold, this is warm, and this is hot. I have color clothes in there. I'm going to go with cold. I'm going to go that right here. And it's going to take T 29 minutes. And it started right there with the cold. And we'll see how it goes. And then after I do this, I'm going to go around to the dryers and then also use the dryer using the same machine, the same coin machine. While the laundry is going, I came over to a cafe and I got a cup of coffee right here. This is a cup of coffee. It's in the place. You can see it is coffee with milk. It looks like a cappuccino, as well as a croissant that I have right here. Buttery croissant. Very French for this Spanish breakfast. Right, so it's ended right here, so the clothes have been washed. It says end, open it up. And now I'm going to take this and I'm going to transfer it into the dryers that are back there. See that? I'm going to put it into that one right there. All right, so we're going to go ahead and do that. All right, so I have the clothes inside of the dryer right here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and shut the dryer door. This is dryer number 8 right there, or Cinco, Ocho right here, and it costs $3 for 20 minutes right there. And if you look right here, I'm going to show you. I'm going to change this into it says insert laundry and close the door, which I did, and then pay. We're going to go to that machine and then select the program. I already pressed this one right here for the program that I want to do. It's in medium heat, and I'm going to go pay for it at the front. So let me go ahead and do that. So I'm going to go over here, and then I'm going to come up here, and right up at the machine, I'm going to select which machine it is. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Select the machine. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put the coins in. So it's $3 for 20 minutes. I'm going to put in, keep it medium, so I'm going to put in 6. I don't know why it's not going, so let me see if I press it. Gotta figure out why it's not taking the coin. Alright, so it did not take my coin for some reason. It's something wrong with it, so I lost €2 right there. So I'm going to insert money in there. So I'm going to go ahead and put the bill inside of here. So I put the bill in there. Didn't take it that way, so let me flip it around. Alright, cool. So I put the bill in there, so it's €20 credit. I'm going to go to the machine. I said it was 8 back there, so I'm going to go ahead and enter the machine number in there. Did that, and then press enter. And credit. So I'm going to take my coins. Get my coins out of here. My coins out of here, and now I'm going to go to the back. Alright, so I'm back here, and alright, select the program. So the program is I'm going to do medium heat, that's low heat, that's medium heat, and that's high heat, that's pause, and that's stop. I'm going to go to medium heat, and now it is about to turn. Alright, that's cool. So that's 20 minutes. It's going to be going like that. I'm going to add more money.